episode for high GC News. Mema Obibia Kwaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Mkwa enamini Bremo. Enunti so nyang subscribe to channel idea bomodi and say obe subscribe. The obeyan say we click the subscribe button. Now wa barely notification. We had a video for free be upload when the first person what's a beka AS video. I feel we are now like a video and give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my wa for so now when you be here. Now who and someone I so ewo Ghana memo hanum. Afi yebura ye and someone abeto yep so. Yiti a yes I report here about to yiti Azimi.
Captain Smart asemi abeye fa oboase ho no he. We shouldn't just blame Captain Smart. Me no. Never be brave one of criticizing so many times say oko overboard. In fact, me Captain Smart e almost me dey na coach obi ya so na ye stubborn. Yes when ye bom chen obi a. Ye me no ye omu mpanifo no kwa se ejina baby bon komo pe na dey alarm say me Captain Smart if you apokuya e first say songo countryman songo na just a confusion base adwumanim enti aso the stubborn people that and we understand each other, but you see sometimes when you are going overboard there was one kasa ho, but you see there's a bigger issue beyond the captain aye. You see because video no be everybody is condemning me about Estinam who is a former Sandra Estinam former worker of TV3 wrote a very very powerful piece about how I was here in Ayer say, we must call a spade. And I like what TV3 I and mama at least for immediately no. Cause look about 15 people. Because you're not near can say 8 people now. It's apparently 15 people. We cannot continue like that. And you see, media for no, your Juma Bakon is to educate. It is a nipanokra obutie ni nima. Our job is to educate. It's where there's rule of law. Because one of the key tenets of democracy, multi-party democracy now, you'll be answering and cover democracy. America, UK, any cover. But the key, one of the key characteristics of multi-party democracy, is rule of law. Rule of law, also there must be law, and institutions must work. Ghana say AGF for cry a environmentally unlawful, a breaching EPA regulation. There a statutory public institution like EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. Ayama Omutumi say they are the ones who should regulate the environmental industry. Minerals Commission, so Minerals Commission, any EPA together have the power to regulate the industry. It is a wood journalist who did not air. Now, that's all what's for the cyanide or my cyanide hole. What is the regulation on cyanide hole? What is the regulation on disposal of mining waste? You should read that first. And Asante Bediatuo said, EPA for because it's not the onus is not the mining company. The regulation ties EPA. EPA for an institution, your president or Tiakonya Susan Anado, on free jubilee out and check AG. That's not Anado's work. Because Ejuma Ghana, except America. And then I'm TikTok court. TikTok has all the way to America Supreme Court. Whilst American government is arguing that this is a national security threat, TikTok lawyers also are arguing that it is a registered American company because a foreign company, Ghana, or a foreign company, Ghana, you must register your company in Ghana, number under Ghana company law. The same thing across the US. TikTok is registered in America as an American company, and the law says that even though America is one of their main fundamental constitutional freedom, it is said the Ghana Constitution, freedom of expression. America for their own First Amendment, but First Amendment also go overboard. American Constitution is one of the constitutions that freedom but almost regulation even against free speech. Oh, say me can call for National Media Commission call a laws here the regulating media industry. I was one of the people who fought against the law. But me, I'm ashamed of myself. Right now, may National Media Commission for say, look, we should go change come back again and bring the laws. But again, on the Captain Smart, you may say, any Captain Smart and Quantum so and say media industry in resetting. The entire media industry needs resetting. Now on the count, say as a media person, I'm ashamed of how the media has become. Yet now we have contributed to it. Number 2 people almost here to blame and Captain Kwan. Yeah, now because Captain Addo, we enabled him. And that TV3 and Kwan Captain Smart started this idea with you. Waba Angel or free Fox nearby. Fox What happened? We were all around cheering him on. More fire and for you, we were clapping for him. To the extent that other radio station manager to make us say, yes, it's a captain. Fire, it's a captain. Oh, Sammy, come say, but you're too gentle. On fire, it's a captain. The number 2 group of people almost number 1 group a media for no. Yankasa, we have lost our way. You man a good media landscape, your good media, Jumano. We are here resetting ASAP. And that's why I'm apologizing to National Media Commission, George Saponini. We were part of the law to regulate the industry. And I said, there be Media Commission for is an affront to free expression. But free expression is so unlimited. Free speech is just a free speech has guidelines, regulations, has limits. You can't be limited free speech. Media First Amendment free speech by and yet free bond to sao and yet blanket check. It is heavily regulated. Obscenity, fighting words. There are words that you cannot use in America. Even swear words. America for use social media, traditional media, obi kasana or swear no do be at F word no my pay. Even in America, yeah pay. Ghana want to say I pay that no. But to me, obi told you no or use to F word. No, America is heavily regulated. Now, I plank for America for constitution, here the empire regulation. First and foremost, I'm apologizing to Media Commission. We need to bring that regulation back. And we'll see changes there, changes and bring it back. The media needs to be regulated. Social media crime in particular. And to what content be out generating America or Europe, if it is coming into Ghana, not say and fit it into Ghana regulation, let's block it. The way we are going, we say any captain is to be blamed. Though TV3 is not to be blamed. We enabled it. And we have enabled it. Ghana for number 2 categories, the citizens of Ghana. Because we have reduced Ghana. We have made truth commercial. It is no credit. No credit. It's one over asema obedi tro obetiantiam una wedi no kre one over twist facts one ha wani umomu ye okay. And we the people na yen consuming media no, we clap for people like that. We have enabled it. Captain yen no be captain. If you na match no media houses even to the extent of oh yes say fire tisa asumasi. There is no regard for no kre. And the people of Ghana, what to me, your program no be about 10 views to pay, 100 views to pay. When the Ghana Nyasasem become Ghana Nyasasem anano, when did we get to the point where truth is measured by the number of views we have? Or when say yeah, this is where we get to. Say no cre. Now determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call Kojo FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, they call OK FMO, get views. And Sebia Brumano Chesumnaso, I just have to use that word for emphasis. And someone, I am tro, and Ghana, Takrawo Jim, any tension, Baba, any chaos, Baba, no you want 1,100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media. Every society, media mirror the society in which it's Kalamato said no Kata, the philosophers, the philosopher. Or see, media biano, it's a society na media ni free mono. Because the na man form pa. Again, media starting at Tommy and Force, only idea starting media no. Yan nanon Beatrice Edumo, Richard Cortem, no more news or GBC no. Say that no money here. No. Not money to say. And you start to see editorial here and you but the people want it. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na call any media house, Facebook. Obi abeka nyasa sembia 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You abeka 7 kwa no. 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. Into nya captain ye be blame as a society here reset of the brain. Reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations. Setting up a Yamami which is a dunum, Richard Cotton owning a human, a GBC or Yabai. And send a question to more private one, but despite media, a private people. And maybe politicians are owning media house into their politician and our. We know media houses that are owned by politicians. Politicians, even presenter cannot express a different opinion from owner. And it's all on the MPP near was all radio station in also a cassette to me MPP for. So all on the NDC near I was so be radio station also cassette to NDC. And we have seen previous occasions when media presenters have found themselves into government. Also, a part of the government, even when they were in opposition. And now NDC, they will all go into positions in government. And the MPP by people in my FM, half of them they had positions in government, including Yamini Abema, Fifi Boafo. It's society in here reset to adjourning ye test. I don't know become as a semi Mobi can Kwasama 1 year correct. Mobi not see another fell against I have honey pay. No be alcohol. And if I base and I did not know no be a pay. And I found Yansa semi Fagana a taxes on your road. You see, free SHS. Are we able to fund the vetting? Yeah, the Kojibis in Akohe. We shall live streaming of the vetting one. Nipa be 200 penny guso. Vetting no be peso beti. We are vetting ministers on Mabe managing public purse. Managing Ghana, managing whether accountability be a juma or not. Managing whether money be kon we are not interested. America for year vetting. Now no congressional hearing or more your Senate a Trump appointment. Me see even activists to me call no more demonstration while the vetting is going on. As soon as we am panel, a branch or a Zionist or just almost they are part of the process. They be make us a parliament before all parliament wake on. There was a bill before parliament, spousal bill. It was supposed to check said yeah, I want for warrior. Yeah, check how many Ghanaians are away. They don't care. Because we don't have any law like that too. You need law be a chess said ya warrior for warrior. It is left to the discretion of the courts. Anti-parliamentary law, all parliamentary amendment to a Muslim registration of Islamic marriages, Mohammedan marriages. How many gramophone in him? Muntaka was one of the key agents of that law. How many people they don't care. Ever score political points. And one kind bill, no, unkind. But they are politicians, they are not obedient. And the politics. So Ghana, we have lost it. It's not just a Captain Smart issue. The media needs reset. The people of Ghana need reset. Yeah, draining here reset. Our taste and preference need reset. Media owners no a Jumani or here reset. It will be no yeah Jumanasi or Kenya Samoa. It should not be about the number of views. The owners must get it. So when you say the panic can't say about Ghana. Manenka, I don't know about Ghana, and yeah, about say, what did you attempt view sumra? Monkoye will not view sumra. Because in Kayanwan is saying, if we have rule of law, near any banana republica, there's no mining company, and for that matter, any other company, there's no company be of Ghana or need a license. Number one, you have to be registered in Ghana. Number two, or what's a gold mine? I said, 8 years ago, a good or two for them, a quadro. And then another no China for which I say, company gu or what's a cronancasa gu. There's nothing there because for over 100 years, we had an animal brought from time when we took gold, you know. The only source of economic livelihood, was a gold, you know. 88 years, I brought from a coin, a Duma Bibiani or Utonto to cry and talk, a Kuto cry and talk into a moment company, not China for that toy. I see him propose and to go, Nasa. We have mined over 100 years. China for banner. They have a contract, number one. They have concession agreement, number two. They pay their taxes to Ghana government in Accra. And it's also be this Ghana government here development. And your mining company no. There is no law that says the mining company need Chiani taxes or Chiani royalties or Chiani Traditional Council or Chiani on development. Or mining company or corporate social responsibility policy, they can decide where 1 or 2 be account. Na presenter say, Mama Chinko on your common demo. I was saying, when did you match there? Munji boom. That was his language. Munji boom namunko. No, what's it go for? We will chase you out of the house. Company na ya company chow otufo. Eti ane chow mu. Edi na ni mo nyama kopa China for it was a modi a moment number so company nim. So that we have some kind of staff. Ye munchia salary. Mom boosting local economy. You will change the company out of town. For what? The company ne boom ready so EPA for and was a wallet yomo. Ufre EPA. What was a company ne fast wa or quiet mining hole if indeed there's a cyanide hole. Is it following proper regulation? Same follow proper regulation. EPA for also check you. But to say that you will chase people out of town. Hey. And this is where we have come to. And comfortable, winning elections and comfortable to airport. And yes, what we are good. I came here to sit here to say that the Lord does not lie in your anus. The Lord does not lie in your hands. Because we have to say lawlessness. Me one Ghana, you started here what to go. Now, who born dog? Rollins, I'm quoting President Rollins. Who born dog? Send President Rollins it here. Under President Rollins regime. You go to the airport. No, we cannot encourage lawlessness. 15 people say, if it is confirmed, because according to a phone, small scale mining association for the letter, I'm saying 9 people are dead. But Obuasi for 15 people. People you go for Papa no go for Branham. Where they come back no moment didi, they are dead. So baby, they are dead and gone. We can't continue like that. This is not a Captain Smart issue. This is not a TV3 issue. This is a national disaster. It's a chaotic situation. This is a banana republic issue, and we are all guilty. We are guilty. Media need here reset. Abaya here reset. Because when Abaya Crawford started so more young Crawford perceived Abaya Crawford, because it can be that other people have also joined Omudin. But it perceived that but the government must have the balls to stop the people. A free NAPO, we must all sign a treaty. We must all see a vow. Near catcher who say free Enerico. We will make sure that party be open. We need power. Their supporters will not do that. And the supporters try to do it. I was a party for hierarchy immediately at once must stop them. They must stop them. Free SHS near Soko de Chito SHS Soko de na Obiako mo reacting tomatoes. Yeah, the man Kolano free SHS and Kolane Diani or react the cop. Now one you are collapsing the nation because the same government that you are claiming you are for no government now better for no Asante Bediatuo tomato to replace what you have stolen. Emo na Nkofo have gone to Songo salt. We are pumping machines on one salt. Are we sick? Which advanced democracy? You will find Sabio Nkophobia again or form they will come and insult you. No cry answer. Truth is no longer truth. Obi cannot cry and gather one page and dinner time now shutting it down. Yeah, no, your background, your bobo. You better do what they were saying, and do what them. This is how low we have sunk as a nation. And we have people dead. Or shed the way they were killed. Oh, Sembafim. And now maybe back with the video nature. No, say if you're close to me to be right. I mean, I'm a journalist. It's sad. Ya bo bitu man and I'm a chair. I could see the 360 degrees 10. But could you born shoulder your born a cheek in a baby? I had 2 AK-47 the bower baby a bullet in the piano, a 2 of the hope. I'll survive it. But I say you couldn't need partisan cook. And you can't blame the military. They are trained to fire. They were stationed on the property to guard life and property. Were mining company. They have not gone to anybody's concession. Baby. A security zone, a mining concession. So for the baby now mobile. So if anybody has trespassed, it is you, the people. Musena, come there. Are you serious? AGF for come demo. Are you serious? AGF for the worker. Say Omama come there me do nyame me so me yes e be ma command you omo. Ani akokumu no. Oni pa no one concession I will protect it. Law on the chair say obi our right to protect life and property with reasonable force. What the baby o make now? And I will feel fear now ba ni so. Mona mo ya the bad wire crack about mo jump it. See ya mema ya be chira mo nyansa say wo ya be ma che soldier. You training to kill. We are Bema, change soldier, you're training to be combat. You're training for combat work, boots on the ground, to aim and fire. It's a very unfortunate way you work. Me say having you or my uko jina having gate no cry, uko jina having gate no cry. Nyankopon kra be say twa o mark and say sebi we nkwase wuo. Wa na ope and na duty akowoso. This is a death that shouldn't have happened. Obi ansuma say ko jina owo abonten so. Na kwaji uwo na performa ememma kentinka John Dumelo nam ho ye farming. I respect that gentleman and he will go places. Oh yeah, queer. Mo de mo to say obi concession say AGF for the oka. The ones in charge of development. AGF for also on development or boase. They are paying all the taxes to Ghana government. Ninyine go buying consolidated account mu. Busawa buying from MC to regional minister. To EFS to national minister for banks. So Odisicana Yedema and another year then. The one that owes you a duty no air abine. Let your company no. Then the whole presenter say, me donya me be chase AGA. Who chase you to where? You know when the baby or did it on the baby now one copa and so omra. And no buy. Inti I told you we are the young Ghana for we are guilty. Yeah, no man lawlessness ababuno. We na lawlessness abebuno. Nti kokoro mo no their blood is on our hands. Omomoja eguya ye tiriso ni apampa so yen ene yaye. It is on our hands.
Me free sa short video bina MPP for afana omo a push for their own agenda no. And I think a lot of people don't even know the basis of that video. That video no nye 2025 video. Video no. Enye 2025 video. Enti wubia watna homa politicians ama usika opposition kakrana omodema monunti efa mutirimuno. The video is not 2025 video. You share 2025 years. Menye major show apart from last Friday. Inti asese moti asese enye 2025 video. That's number 1. Number 2, video no krano enye 2024 video. The video is 2023, June 2023. Semu nima me ka kire mo plane. Video no June 2023. June 2023. And as a video no. Yeah. The video is not 2025. So those of you who do not know, a common demo no, a toda na ye bo Captain Smart dia, and comfort dimrika eba beshe. It's na social media triamoka. And unti I hear me there because comfort di me, and I'm so happy and glad about it. So and comfort di me home. Ubo mi di ba akope ye to be fa picture bi ye de be picture to na ye de acho headline bi asem no kura mfa me ho be so ko di mirika no ma kwa akohwe. And I thank God say minti mudidi because I mean niwa ka bia munye duane di ka komede because of me wo ko na umbo mi din wo social media na go fa behwe ne yetwa wo kakakra ne wanya duane yedi tia no kra no monda nyame ase. Good. So the issues on this particular video, me check out was way. Number 1. Yakobwasi 2022. Yakobwasi 2022. Youth na wo hono no more agitated. And obwa ages Anglo Gold for nankasa jitu mu say omo abandoned pits. Sa abandoned pits na omo eja wo hono. E hona boys ne ko no omo kudidim. And let me say assembly then MPP mpenimfo e kantan amena no so omo gi amena no ama omo nkrofo teniye yiwasum na teniye womo gi amena no womo gi ye e kantan amena no so e de ma omo nkrofo no omo share da koye se eye Anglo Gold e na stopping guys no from working. It was not Anglo Gold as of that time. 2022. So 2023, if you remember, we went to Obuasi. Issue no ebeye gidi. Na MPP for na wo honi nim say ye ba be kan nokre na e wo honi nti. E na wo mu di mirika. E man ko for be disrupt show na ye koye. And it was evident. Emma MPP from Penny for Nankasakre won't cry, honey be buff. We say, they ain't almost stop it, almost say order from above. So, Mama, no, it was because said no more J pit, no abandoned pit now. Anglo Gold Asante Penny for Crackers as our pit, no moon here, Bumuno. One more just our pit, and if you woman's them. So, guys, are only share woman's as a woman general. They are the boys they sent. The MPP guys. So mum no messed up here. So cool. Yeah, Juma. And you if you never twice walk massive. Then your bank crying. And I can't say. Amenana ewo hono. Obie no betu stop you bia. So be kwasa amenanim. Obie ni asasi so a obetimi a stop obia so obekọ amenana mu bi akwakoye adwuma enti boys no so nkọ amenana mu bi no mo nkokoye adwuma because say Anglo Gold Ashanti aka say a abandoned pit na say wo mu hia biomu a why is it that so bi na beje amenana boss say Captain Kwan and Kwasha amenana mu no nkoye adwuma na ma mo bi nkokoye obi. Now, boys na kano. Omunye adwuma wahi. Obuasi adwuma be na ho. So when we came June 2023, June 12, 2023.
June 17.
It was in June, either 12, 15, 16. It was a series that started from 12 13, 14, 15, 16, I think 17, yeah. It was a whole series. How can somebody sit somewhere and go and pull 2023 video? Now, Odimirika, Eddie Abesha, say, as if say video, no. Yeah, and Ryan, yeah, show, no. I don't own anybody explanation, but I just want you to know, sir. Sa video na mo can as if say see and no video no a June 2023. Guys, the year Juma or Hodada 2023 na no mo year Juma. Home kwame na nim 2024 no mo kwame na nim. It's an abandoned pit. So whoever is pushing anybody to use an old video to come and portray, say, as if say Captain Smart, yes, I know I am the king of morning shows. That's number one. Number two, I know when it comes to information in this country, on TV and on radio, I am number one. Upajidi upajai. Number three, I know some me be a man cancer man. A si I know. And Kojo Kyeremanteng, akwa fasa video no say video no ye, and then an answer video no ye. June 2023. Now, if you have a video no or post here, or we no delete here, why did she delete that video? It is because a 2023 video. Okay, a 2023 video. Enti the assessor Yebusa Yehune said, Anglo Gold Ashanti, a great company. They are coming from South Africa, Joburg, Johannesburg. A whole Anglo Gold company, ewo. Bisamu as a Ghanaian. Shawbuase. Na she Johannesburg. And tell me, say, Sani ye crew. Sani yo maya na ebusafo. Any day kwaso. 2022, I went to Obuasi, if not more, about 4 or 5 times. 2023, Unyanti, ye ko Obuasi, ye da Obuasi, esa sorry, about 3 times. 2023. 2024, me ankasa on my me koye madie. Me ko home yenu apejaware esa ko ho. It's what shop was not here the way Anglo Gold for a young bossy and so in your bossy. There's no water, a bossy. And so assassin and woholding nano, or must say me na.
Deformities.
Would you have bossy say I am no cassia? Ask me, Besha Nipa and deforme obewo. Go there and see. Say, any of your mind, can Anglo Gold do the same thing with Johannesburg? Anka Kurune Bebo. Anka Kurune Ebebo. Say, obet me a call na Anglo Gold with Johannesburg. Now we're tutu amena. Eja poisonous chemicals. Ewa amenanim. Na ema yare ewo boase ema ni ema ye basa ewo boase. Can Anglo Gold Ashanti ana Anglo Gold and kaso betwa yasa wo Johannesburg? They can't do this. And it's about time yema so-called foreign companies na eba yema emu hanu yema omotia se we can't stop anybody from working here. But the point is that won't be my metna console. Yura and then another call while Masanko be anon. Sanko way na sa koso. In penny sim kunyano, Omamu na omonti omuase se. Aminana ya abandoned pits na. Woman so mum pedal. My boys no sunya moduma. Then I no come koye. Obi ko wi obi ade ho. Obi ko kum nipa ho. Abandoned pits. But I never made a member kasa no. But I just want you to know, say, sa video na makwa kofa na mo de aba foforo no. Eye 2023 video. Mo humanu ngwase. We increase mo seat no. Seat na parliament no. Microcosm no. Increase seat no. We Emma Bonia a course no en free Ghana for trim. So muni ma me catch no. And anyway I was book again. And I be ma ye me jaya adwuma na ye no. We will talk and talk and talk until say, or my we be. And I mean, those politicians now, pushing videos. Look, MPP platforms, some of them I'm still on it. And it started from our own MPP platforms. If you want to look for something to nail me down, and the Kwasamado, na never some meeting. Mati. Wait, and I'm going to be 2023 video. Somebody should tell me, say, you share 2025, I see. The better than share, share to family, I check. And people can testify. Do you know when I stopped using the towels? Now me use it. I stopped using that towel. And if you check that video carefully, and even the images are for screenshotting and you will see say Fiat go blue and white way any gune ko. And then 2023 guys ne ko hoko ye adwuma. 2024 omo ho ye adwuma. Omo ko ye adwuma ndada. And now somebody is saying what? Say 2023 video, no. I bet you so fresh. Shame on you, MPP guys. Shame on you. Shame on you, MPP guys. Shame on you. So what's happening you? You guys were thinking, say, hey, that is how you killed John Kuma. That's why the MPP poisoned John Kuma. When I said it, people thought that I was joking. And Tim and John Koye. It's the same way the MPP poisoned Honorable Piekubi. When I said it, people thought that, oh, Captain Smart Pekasa. Then Honorable Piekubi and Kasa Babonting told the whole country that Asemna Mekai in and let me say this and repeat again. Say the youth of this country, we will never ever sit down for empty-headed people calling themselves politicians to destroy the future of this beautiful country. What are they talking about? And which I want to talk about video now. I was asking myself, we a young guy with the MPP. We a young guy with the MPP. They are now say Captain Smart video ni. Yes, Shasie. Shasie. Call. No one's It's 2023, July, August, September, October, November, December, na no mko koye jumano. That's what you're for free. 2024, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's what you're for free. They were still there. This is intentional. Obia sheda. And I mean, that's a bunch of them. Me never wait on family. Let me be sincere with you. Say, Unya Daji Kotana baby, no for video. Say you want to run down Captain Smart. Hey man, you got a whole deal. You got a whole deal to pick up with me. Me. Say way better. This will not do anything to me. It's unfortunate that because of politics, this SSAC and almost a day, Anglo Gold Asante for statement in the Makani And I don't know what the MPP guys now multi social media now more church or those things, I don't know if some kind of idea. Go back and read Anglo Asante Forno statement no. Then you can tell say Sesani ya Wako wasida what in crime? And I will church what in crime? And I will church what in crime? And I will kasa. Wako wasida. Obwasi kroni nyina ada obi nkase earthquake nsi and obi nkase bibi nsi obwasi why kra na adwene ho akase bibi mpo ye nsure obwasi kronu go to Joburg, go to Johannesburg, Anglo Gold for ya na ho the entire city our insurance, a whole city our insurance. A whole city. Our insurance. Now listen, Anglo Gold for statement, I'm saying Anglo Gold Ashanti confirms incident on its Obuasi concession. Tell you, we must say it happened on their concession. But in some of say Anglo Gold Ashanti Ghana confirms that on the evening of 18 January, an incident occurred in the fenced operation area in the northern part of the company's Obuasi concession. A large group of armed illegal miners attempted it's one motivated one more church or MPP guys na yama muskano more church or na musore no na munim no. Listen and listen good. A large group of armed illegal miners attempted to forcibly gain unauthorized access to the mine infrastructure. Authorities mobilized to defend against this attack and to ensure the safety and security of employees and those in the immediate surrounds. Now listen, somebody attempted to forcibly gain access. And now they are describing it as an attack. Can this happen? Where can this happen in the world? And then Mugu social media and so say, hey, Yama Sikafia 200 Ghana or the Akoto data. Why you 50 Ghana to data? Now, with the 150 I show. And then I will say, they attempted, I feel you are describing it as an attack. Tibium, the authorities have confirmed that 7 illegal miners tragically lost their lives in this incident. Only 7. Why are they lying? Why are they lying? Only 7. In this incident, and that a number of the illegal miners and members of the public security forces were injured. The situation at the mine is currently calm, and the company is working closely with the authorities. Our primary concern is the safety and health of all our employees and those in our community who have been directly impacted by this incident. Where can they go? To Johannesburg and write this brofo?
Because we are cheap.
Nah, because we are cheap. Ghana is cheap. Instead of Ghanaians holding this company responsible, MPP for because say Obi Wu money agency, you don't care because 2020 8 innocent youth were killed at in Techmine. The NPP administration supervised the killing of 8 innocent Ghanaian youth. The NPP supervised and killed 8 innocent Ghanaian youth. You don't care. Now you are saying, say, Captain Smart, and I can't say, 2023 video. Granted, Kwase near Kai, Captain Smart, and I can't say, Monka, the Amansa Kai, no, too good, or must pay the Kunipa.
Too good, now only age, my old you sit
there. What's our dream? You can't answer so much. Politicians next year. You guys think that we are just talking.
Yo, it for winning and somewhere abeto yapono so make say so when you subscribe to channel idea but more than say or subscribe say had later and hot news and Aramede Bremo Afenyo we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fi share my ofori so that when you be here that who and somewhere also Ghana memoir also bet me otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho comment box in mu mobeti binkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.